today we're going to be filling this hole. This hole does go to the underside, so the outside of the van, and I definitely don't want that to be exposed when we're doing the camper, so we'll get it done now. I'll be using a Rivnut, but we've got to do some preparation first. So some sandpaper, some Corrust, and I've also got some red oxide primer. Forgot to mention, I've also got some Sikaflex 522. We'll start with the sandpaper. I'll be sanding both sides just around the hole so that I can prepare it with the rust treatment. I'll also be clearing up the area using isopropyl alcohol and some rags. Let's get on with preparing the surface. Now to go over with some red oxide primer. Now that's dry, we'll move on to getting the Rivnut in using the Rivnut tool here. I've gone for an M6 Rivnut, but first I'll be adding a little bit of Sikaflex 522 around the hole itself, so when the Rivnut is in place it will compress, creating a nice seal. And now for the Rivnut. We can then go ahead and add a button style, or I have some M6 by 30 bolts. And there we go. We've successfully installed and plugged up this hole.